Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off a Face ID in the Revolt app. This is a quick and easy process that can help you manage your account security setting. If you are using a Face ID, log into the Revolt app. You might want to disable it for various reasons, such as sharing access with others or simply preferring different authentication method. Let's see how you can do it. To turn off the Face ID in Revolt app, follow this step. Open your Revolt app and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Security, then choose Sign In Methods. Look for the option to sign in with the Face ID. You will see the toggle button next to it. Simply toggle this button off to disable Face ID. And that's it. You have successfully turned off the Face ID on your Revolt app. Now you see you will need to use your passcode or other enable sign-in method to access your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and problem solving videos.